Hello friends, good evening. Myself Vaishnavi. Today we'll discuss the editorial page of Hindu paper and today's topic is just closure. The focus must be on adequate compensation of families of fishermen killed by marines. Means it is saying that they should keep some focus on families of fishermen who were killed by marines and they should also be given some compensation. It may seem pragmatic to keep any pending litigation alive until all dues relating to it are paid and all legal issues are settled. They are extending this process, means they are keeping pending that they'll do today or tomorrow, like that. And it is saying that it should be paid all legal issues and settled, means it should be paid some compensation and also it should be settled legally. However, it is somewhat puzzling that the Supreme Court of India has said it would keep the Italian Marines case alive until hefty and adequate compensation is paid by Italy for killing of two fishermen by its marines on February 15, 2012. Means it is saying that the Supreme Court of India has said, means the Supreme Court has said that this Italian marines cause live until, means they have caused some harm to fishermen. Because of that, compensation is paid by Italy, means it was paid by Italy government or those people for killing two fishermen by its marine. Means the compensation will be paid by the Italy for killing two fishermen by marines on February 15, 2012. The court had indicated that it would not allow the closure of the trail until such compensation is paid. Means the court said that it would not allow the closure of the trail until such compensation is, means they should pay the compensation as soon as possible. And it has ordered that the families of the victims be heard on this matter. And it has ordered that the families, it has some victims, they have some proofs to prove it in court. Once the Union government has declared that it would abdicate by the ruling of pre-management court of arbitration at the which guaranteed immunity to the marines and favored Italy as the appropriate judiciary where they could be tried for a crime. Means once the Union government, if the Union government declared once that it should happen compulsory, means if it declare that will happen. And the compensation should be given by the Italy to this fisherman families. For one thing, the PCA and arbitral tribunal that educates disputes under the United Nations Convention on the Laws of the Sea. Means for one thing, the PCA means there are some disputes between disputes under the United Nations Convention on the Laws of Sea. Means there are some fights due to means the fisherman who went on that sea, means they have some quarrels between them, has itself ruled the India in entitled to compensation for loss of life, physical harm, material damage to property, and moral harm suffered by. Means this that India is entitled, means it has entitled the compensation for loss for life, physical harm, and material damage, and moral harm suffered by. The captain and the crew members of St. Anthony, the fishing vessel involved, and mandated negotiation on the quantum. Means the crew member of that marine of St. Anthony, the fishes means the fishing vessels and the mandate, means they are in a small divisions. Second, it hardly needs emphasize that the pendency of the matter in court should not become a bargaining point that delays the reaching of the fair settlement. Means there should be no bargaining between them for the compensation they are giving, and the settlement should be fair. Continuing hearings may also be seen as India being relocate to case all criminal proceedings against the Marines as per the ruling. Means after they are hearing all these, India being recurrent to case, means the criminal cases are proceeding against the Marines as per the ruling. The courts resolved to obtain adequate and hefty compensation for the families of victims is welcome. Means the court means it has resolved the compensation for the families of victims. Means the people who lost their lives and their families got their compensation, though it would be difficult to have a judicial determination of what quantum would satisfy these. Means it is somewhat hard to judge that issue. The center may have approached the top court for formal permission to close the pending trial proceeding as a matter of abundant caution. Means the center may have approached the top court, means it has approached the Supreme Court. Top court means Supreme Court, right? So it has approached the Supreme Court for the permissions. Means for getting some permissions, it has approached there. The pending trial proceedings as a matter abundant caution, means these the matters which are pending are being continued. But as far the law goes, it could have approached the trial court itself. Means but as far as the law goes, it could have approached the trial court itself. Means it has approached the court itself to the public prosecute for withdrawal from prosecution under section 321 of the CRPC. Means this issue, the public prosecutor for withdrawal, means they are withdrawing this under the section prosecution under section 321 of CRPC. many legal tangles. Too many legal tangles have already caused enough diplomatic rupture in the progression of the Enrical and Anthony case since 2012. Means this case was being running from 2012. Means it is not getting settled legally. Article 253 of Constitution, which says a Parliament may enact a law to give effort to any international treaty of convention. Means the government the government is saying that, which says Parliament may enact, means the Parliament would not act, has been cited to argue that in the view of arbitral court's finding on the judiciary being in a conflict with the Supreme Court's ruling in 2013 that the Union government alone can try the case. Means it is saying that the Union court can alone try this case without going to the top court. A law may be needed before the trial is closed. Means a law should be required before this case is being closed. This is just Needles quibbing as the conflict has ceded after India agreed to abide by the tribunal's ruling in keeping with the obligations under UNCLOS. Means after some arguments, the India has some obligations under UNCLOS. India's focus should not be on negotiating for compensation and ensuring as purposefully. Means the India's focus should not be on the compensation they are giving, but it should get some rules for not happening, and these criminals in Italy should be arrested. Now we'll discuss some meanings from today's topic. Factions means small organized group within a large one. Means which is organized in a little bit by a large one. Means by a big person. Remit means cancel or set aside or revoke. Cancel means not taking into consideration. For example, he remitted my job. Means he remitted my appointment. Means he cancelled his appointment. Unnerving means causing one to lose courage. Means or disconcerting means it is saying that making someone to lose their courage. Brazen means bold or shameless. Unseemly means not proper or improper. Derailed means cause a train to leave its track. Means diverting from its present position. Restored means turn to and adopt a course of action or use exercise. Means use or exercise. Means doing it again and again so we can gain something. Unheeded means ignored. Means not taking it seriously. Preempted means preventing means taking care before. Impel means force or dredge. Next, pragmatic means sensible or matter of fact, means something which is true. Hefty means large and heavy, which is having more weight. Arbitral means relating to the use of arbitrarial to settle a dispute, means which is related to something that which can settle a argument between two people. Adjusticate means make a formal or judgment, giving suggestions, or we can judging is called adjusticates. Pendency means states of being pending or awaiting, means making someone making someone to wait for us, like that. So these are the meanings from today's topic. Thank you.